Hi everyone, we got another challenge for you today. This is going to be very similar to the challenge we did last week where we're trying to hit the ball against the wall, have it bounce off, and then keep hitting it as many times as we can until you miss it and it hits the floor. But just like we did in our first class this week, instead of using our hand, we're going to use a frisbee or something else similar to a frisbee as a racket. And we're going to use that frisbee to hit the ball against the wall, and then when it bounces back, we're going to hit it again. Now, I got my Aurora soft squishy ball here again today that I'm going to use first, and then I have some other objects that we can use also to try this challenge with. So basically, you're going to hold the ball, hold the racket, and then you're going to drop that ball, hit it with the racket, and see how many times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ha! I got 11 that time. And then I would try it again, hitting against the wall. Now, just like we did before, first time I held it with one hand, but you could try holding it with two hands and hitting it against the wall with two hands as well. Whew, and see how that's different, and see what your score will be if you're holding the frisbee with two hands, and then try it again with one hand. And then I have some other objects here. Like, almost tried to get away from me. I have a balloon here, and I can do the same thing with the balloon, hitting it against the wall. And then we can use that overhand with one hand, holding on to the frisbee. We can also try to do that with two hands, holding on to the frisbee, just like that. And then I also have my trusty crumpled up piece of paper, and we can do the same thing. One hand holding the frisbee. Whew, that one's a little bit tougher. And then two hands holding the frisbee. Just like that. Woo-hoo! All right, and you're gonna practice this. Find a nice spot against the wall where you have lots of room. Try this challenge as many times as you can with different objects, holding the frisbee with one hand, holding the frisbee with two hands, and then write your score in the comments. Have fun with this challenge.